Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add favorite home place on the Eurowag Navi application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the second option, the favorites. Here you can find two options, the home and the work, and you click to the home button and you can add the home address, you can select from the map, and you can add the position. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.